What's going on, you guys? So I know this is a video you guys all been looking for, and here it is. So how to make money while you're active military. Alright, so here are my 5 tips on how to do it. Tip number 1, selling unnecessary items. So what I mean by this is going into your wall locker, go into your closet, look at things that you just have on the shelves and sell it. You guys know that's just collecting dust, you're no longer using it. If you guys don't need it, just go ahead and sell it. Post it on Craigslist, post it on eBay, post it on any site that you're capable of doing it. I know Facebook has a couple of local sites or local domains where you can go and just post your stuff. Tip number 2, you guys, so sell the bikes that are outside the barracks. And you guys have probably seen these bikes while you guys are walking to your room, and you know that no one's going to collect them, so might as well just, fix them up. Number 3, you guys, 3. Become an affiliate. So what I mean by this is that if you go to an online site where they sell your favorite product, favorite brand, you can essentially use that link, post it on your Instagram where people can go ahead and click on it, and if they use that link to purchase that item, you will get a certain percentage off of that purchase back. So that is a quick way to get money without really even making an effort. Tip number 4 is to get a weekend job, you guys. So if you guys didn't know, you are capable of getting a weekend job. Look up sites like snagajob.com, Indeed. There's a lot of other sites that you guys are capable of using. I will link some down below within the description box, but you can go and just if you have a free weekend and you guys aren't volunteering or doing something cool, just enjoying yourselves, go out and make that extra cash. There's a lot of people out there that are willing to hire you for the weekend for just a couple hours, and you're probably gonna make more money doing that than you're going to do a whole month, surprisingly. Alright, my last and final tip, you guys, tip number 5, is to sell your services. So what I mean by this is find out what you're good at, find out how you can sell your service to people at a cheap price. So for me, for instance, I'm good at videography, I'm good at photography, I'm good at fitness. So if I could potentially just hire, book people, let's say I booked 5-10 people for the price of $10-20 per video shoot, that's going to be way better than charging one person for $100. Alright, so that's about it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really quick, the first time my autofocus wasn't on, it was probably a little bit better the first time around, but you know what, it's late and I want to get this video out regardless. But if you guys did enjoy it, go ahead and click that like button. If you guys didn't enjoy it, go ahead and click that dislike button. But you guys have to comment down below why you guys didn't enjoy it, so that way I can get some feedback to better my videos later on. But yeah, so hope you guys have a great weekend, and see you guys in the year 2018. So see you later.